Singapore Marina Bay area, a glistening waterfront district, is a testament to the city-state's ambitions and innovations. This reclaimed land boasts a stunning skyline of modern skyscrapers, iconic landmarks, and world-class attractions. Key attractions within the Marina Bay areas include Singapore Flyer, Gardens by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands, Art Science Museum, Merlion Park, home to the Malays, Singapore mythical creatures with the heads of a lion and the body of a fish. This park is a popular spot for photos and the symbols of Singapore heritage. Singapore Turf Club held its final race on 5th October 2024. With the final race concluded, it marked the closure of 180 years of race horsing history in Singapore. This closure will mark the end of an era for horse racing in Singapore. But the club legacies will continue to be felt for years to come. East Coast Park is located along the southeastern coast of Singapore. This park is a fantastic place to spend a day outdoors, enjoying the sun, sea, and sand. Whether you are looking for relaxations or adventures, you are sure to find something to enjoy at this beautiful park. Bukit Panjang Park is a neighborhood park in suburban Singapore, offering residents a place to exercise and socialize. Tanjong Rhu, a charming subzone within the Kallang planning areas, offer a unique blend of residential, commercial and recreational spaces. The iconic Singapore National Stadium is a state-of-the-art multi-purpose sport facility. The stadium has hosted numerous prestigious events including National Day Parade, Southeast Asian Games, concerts by international music stars. The Marina Bay Cruise Centre Singapore is a state-of-the-art cruise terminal located in the heart of Singapore's vibrant Marina Bay district. Singapore, a vibrant city-state in Southeast Asia, is a captivating blend of modernities and traditions. for its cleanliness, safety, and efficiency. It offers a unique experience for visitors.